trace the light as dawn leans on the edge of night. Your whispers caught in silver threads of sky. A mirror of tides inside. I watch you rise and wonder how the stars belong in your eyes. Every heartbeat's echo drawn across the silent sea. I feel it break, I feel the pull between the space. What is and what could ever be. We ride the waves beyond horizons line, where shadow melts, where your hand finds mine. Under neon skies we shine undone. In the eclipsed horizon we become the sun. Silent maps drawn in your breath and in mine. We chase constellations painted in time. Lost in electric whispers we collide. A place beneath the calm hidden inside. Skies that tremble, hearts that break, yet still we stand. The moonlight dances on the edge of your hand. Between the worlds of fear and fearless we transcend. We ride the waves beyond horizons line, where shadow melts, where your hand finds mine. Under neon skies we shine undone. In the eclipsed horizon we behold heaven build. Hold me here when tides are cruel, when night is deep. Let your voice be beacon light, drawing me from the darkest currents through every loss and leap. We are alive in the spaces that believe. We ride the waves beyond horizons line, where shadow melts, where your hand finds mine. Under neon skies we shine undone. In the eclipsed horizon we become. We ride the waves beyond horizons line. In this moment lost in time, in this flame that binds. Under neon skies we shine undone. In the eclipsed horizon we become the sun.